Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be doing 6.9, writing a number story to match a number sentence. This is an open response, so this is one of those types of problems that you could spend 2 days doing, that we kind of work on it, think about it. We're not going to become experts at it today, okay, but we want to try to learn from what we're doing today, kind of think about it and write some things down. All right, so here we always start with our mental math, so I want you to go through and I want you to solve these division problems. Again, think about what we learned about that unknown number, right? Turn this division problem into a multiplication problem. 6 times what equals 24? If we're practicing our fact power, hopefully you can solve these using just your brain. All right, and then here is a math message. Okay, it looks a little lengthy, but I think you'll be able to solve it. It says Quincy played 3 soccer games. In each game, he scored 2 goals. How many more goals does Quincy need to score a total of 10 goals? It says, how many more? What does that mean? So it says, use this number model to solve this problem. So here's your number model. 10 minus, parentheses, 3 times 2 equals G. G represents the number of goals Quincy needs to score. So you're trying to figure out G. How many goals? So you are going to write down here, what does he need to do to solve the problem? Okay, what would your answer be? I'm going to come back and share the answer with you in the next video, because today we're going to be writing a number story that accurately matches a number sentence. So we're going to go over some of those different ways to solve these problems and practice with the one-step problem before you have to write a 2-step problem. All right, so remember, whenever we're solving world problems, right, or number stories, then we want to make sure we're looking for those words. Today, we're going to have to write these words. Okay, so look for words like in all, which means total, which means you're adding, right? Maybe look for words like divide or share or split. Okay, you're dividing, right? Look for how many more. Trick, okay? Subtraction. A lot of us think more because more by itself, right, would be adding. Okay, but when we say how many more, we're subtracting. Okay, so think about those different clue words today. Let's see if you can use those to help you figure out these one-step problems. Okay, so here, Mrs. Fleming has 12 toys for her dogs. She gives Wendy 4. How many toys are left? Choose your option. Is it add, subtract, multiply, or divide? I will share the answers in the next video as well. What about this one? Mrs. Fleming has 12 toys for her 3 dogs. How many toys does each dog get? What does that mean? What are the clue words here? Mrs. Fleming has 4 toys for each of her 3 dogs. How many toys does she have in all? What's that clue word? And then here, Mrs. Fleming has 12 toys for her dogs. She then buys 4 more. How many toys does she have now? All right, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to pause here, and then I'm going to look back and see how well we did. So based on what you're doing right now, how are you feeling about solving these problems?